upon a time, there was a little frog who lived in the lake. He loved to play with his friends, the fire. Every night, the little frog heard the sweetest sound in the distance. But they were too far away. He would never know what that sweet melody was all about. Yet on this special night, his firefly friends inspired him to find the courage to leave the bayou behind and take that leap into the heartbeat of New Orleans.
Yeah! Yeah, look at that dancer. Yeah! Go, Everett! Look at that frog doing. Play your saxophone. Everett, let's see what Everett can dance.
Asked himself, but then little frog realized something. Even on his lily pad with his firefly friends, the heartbeat of New Orleans wasn't so far away. Why, it wasn't far